Welcome back to another episode of the Smartphone Review Show. Today, we have an exciting device to talk about, the Vivo X Fold. Now, before you get too excited, I have to let you know that this smartphone isn't built for my part of the world. But that doesn't stop us from exploring its features and capabilities. So, let's dive right into the review. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Smartphone Review Show. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Vivo X Fold, a truly extravagant smartphone from Vivo, the sister brand of Oppo. Now, this series is all about exploring different flexible display devices, and after spending a week with the Vivo X Fold, I must say it gets so much right that if it were offered in my part of the world, it would easily take Samsung's place as the new go-to full-size foldable. But hold your horses. Before you rush to click that buy button, there's one important thing to consider. If you're in the US, like me, buying this phone might lead to disappointment. This device is primarily meant for the China market, and as such, it may not function optimally outside of that region. One major issue is the lack of proper notifications for apps commonly used outside of China. Whether it's Telegram, Gmail, or Facebook messages, you may not receive them in a timely manner, despite all efforts to keep apps running in the background. Additionally, there might be region-specific software corners without English translations available. Furthermore, the lack of support for 5G Band 71 may affect your coverage, depending on where you live. Despite the limitations for certain regions, the Vivo X Fold has some noteworthy features that make it stand out. Firstly, Vivo takes a different approach by considering the outer display as a window into your inner home screen. When you open the phone, you're greeted with the same app and widget layout you've chosen on the right side, while the left side can be customized to your liking. This unique choice is complemented by the presence of two fingerprint sensors, one outside and one within the phone. While not necessarily better than Samsung's side-mounted fingerprint sensor, it offers a different user experience. In the United States, the Samsung Galaxy Fold 3 is often considered the standard and benchmark for large-format foldables. However, the Vivo X Fold outperforms it in three important ways. Firstly, the aspect ratio of the Vivo X Fold's wider 21:9 cover panel offers more breathing room and enhances the user experience, especially for apps like Instagram. Secondly, despite a slight difference in diagonal size, the Vivo X Fold's main screen provides around 14% more surface area, making a noticeable difference in real-world usage. Finally, the Vivo X Fold's camera system outshines the Galaxy Fold 3 with its versatility and superior image quality, particularly in low-light conditions. Speaking of cameras, Vivo has packed the X Fold with a set of impressive sensors capable of delivering high-resolution photos and excellent video stabilization. While the video zoom may be limited, the overall camera package is more versatile and tolerant than Samsung's offering. Vivo, along with Huawei's Mate X2, demonstrates that it is possible to deliver flagship-class camera performance in a foldable device without charging a premium. Now, let's talk about pricing. The Vivo X Fold comes at a significantly lower price point than Samsung's Galaxy Fold 3. At just over €1,500, it offers a compelling value proposition. However, it's important to remember that availability and service options may vary depending on your region. Now, despite the advantages and unique features of the Vivo X Fold, I must admit that Samsung's 4 years of experience with foldables bring some significant software advantages and additional features like S Pen support and water resistance. In conclusion, if the Vivo X Fold were available in my region with comparable service and software options, I would choose it over the Samsung Galaxy Fold 3. It's a beautifully designed device that gets so many things right, from its aesthetics to performance and camera capabilities. I genuinely hope that Samsung and other manufacturers feel the pressure to keep up the quality of their products, especially in regions where devices like the Vivo X Fold are not readily available. Thank you for joining us on the Smartphone Review Show. If you enjoyed this episode and would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for the next review, and until then, stay mobile, my friends.